Hello everyone, I'm Arash, and in this video I'm going to solve two-word problems with simple interest rate. The main formula that we have for simple interest rate is shown here, where interest equals the principal amount times interest rate times time in years. So P is the principal, R is the interest rate in decimals, and T is the number of years. And here's the first example that we want to solve. A sum of money earns simple interest at a rate of 8.5% per annum for 9 months, resulting in a total interest amount of $255.75. What's the principal amount? If I compare these numbers with the formula, we can see that 8.5% is the interest rate. We just need to make sure to use it in decimals. And number of years, we should find it by using 9 months divided by 12. And then the principal amount is not given, and we need to find that, but the interest amount earned is $255.75. So we need to rearrange this formula and solve it for P. And here's how we do it. I equals interest divided by R times T. Now we just need to replace I, R, and T with the given values. So 255.75 divided by 0.085 times 9 over 12. And the answer is going to be $4,011.76. When you use these numbers in your calculator, make sure not to round your answers until the final stage. If we round off the answers in the intermediate stages, it's going to cause accumulated error, which we don't want it. So make sure to keep all the decimals when you're punching this into your calculator, and once you find the final answer, then round it to 2 decimal places. Then you can show your answers in dollars and cents. Now let's go to the next example. A delayed payment of $940.30 was accepted in place of the originally scheduled payment of $915, taking into account an annual interest rate of 8.7%. How many days late was the payment? This question is related to the equivalent payments. When it says this amount was accepted in place of the original amount, it means these two are equivalent. We need to use a variation of the formula. The total amount after number of years or times is going to be the principal, which was $915. That's the principal plus the interest earned, and we show it with I. So the future value or the sum of the money after number of years or days is going to be the principal plus I. We have a formula for I, that's PRT. Let's replace I with that. Then we have S equals P plus PRT. Now you can see P is a common factor, so I can factor this out and rewrite the equation as P times 1 plus RT. The question wants us to find the number of days. Basically, we need to find the T in number of days. So we need to rearrange this equation and write it to solve for T. Then we're going to have T equals S over P minus 1 over R. When we use this formula, the answer is going to be a number of years, but then we need to convert it to number of days by multiplying the answer by 365. So that's the plan. Replace S, P, and R with the given values, and then once you find the answer, we finally multiply by 365. And this is how we do it. 940.30 over 915, then subtract 1, divide by 0.087, and then times 365. Again, you don't want to round off your answers in the intermediate stages. Keep all the decimals until the final stage and then round off once you find the final answer. And if you punch this in your calculator and do it properly, you should get the answer of 116 days. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next ones.